Lonta, a final year Media and Communication Studies student, a Mastercard Scholar, Cohort 6. The scholarship has been helpful. Every vacation, that is the second semester vacation, we do have summer camp, and it comprises skills training and short courses. For me, first year I did batik tie-dye, and also second year I did millinery and then packaging boxes. And then third year I did wig making, and my final year I'm doing beading. The program has been helpful, especially the skills training. With the bead making so far, I've learned how to make slippers and also necklaces, and I'm actually working on how to make earrings and that of bracelets. I say a very big thank you to Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program, KNUST, the Secretariat. They are working so hard to put things in order for us, and so far it's been perfect. Everything is moving on smoothly, and I must say they've done very well. God bless them so much for their time and service.
My name is Dr. Vicentia Opata Omega. I'm a lecturer in the Department of College of Arts and Built Environment in the University of Science and Technology. So this is a beading session. We are doing bead work here. So for Monday, we started with the beading on slippers. So the concept is to introduce them how to bead on different substrates. Then Tuesday, some didn't finish with the slippers, so they continue. Then some also started with the jewelry. So the jewelry also, we introduced them to the concept, the various designs when it comes to the jewelry, the simple ones and the complicated ones. Then we did the bracelets, so it's a continuation from Tuesday to today. They are still doing the jewelry, the sets, the bracelets, the earrings, and the chain. So some of them are doing the necklace, the choker, and the one that falls. It has been very effective. We just brought a sample of the design to show to them, and from there they are coming out with their own concepts, and that's what we expect from them. So they have responded so greatly. They have come out with very nice concepts, and I'm so happy because the period is just short. Thank you so much for giving me the privilege to impart the students, the Mastercard students in the University of Science and Technology